Hello, everybody. Welcome to Cook for Your Wife. Are you guys ready for some eggs Benedict? Sunday morning. Let's rock it. I got my pot here for my poached eggs. We're going to turn that on. We're going to put 2 teaspoons of vinegar. Secret to poached eggs. It helps those whites from spreading out and gives a nice even cook so we can have some good poached eggs. So we're going to start warming that water up. And I got a double boiler right here. This is like my little makeshift one, but this is how I do it. And we're going to make the Hollandaise sauce. Of course, you can use cheese sauce, whatever you want, but we're going to make Hollandaise sauce from scratch. We got our English muffins, our eggs, our unsalted butter, Canadian bacon, parsley, and our spices. And of course, you cannot start unless you have some coffee. You don't have some coffee, just go back to bed. All right, Hollandaise sauce, one of the 5 French mother sauces. Let's do this. We're going to get 4 egg yolks. Oh, I need a cup. Okay, so we're going to separate the eggs. Get that yolk. Okay, there's one. Come on. Get out of there. There you go. There's 2. 3 and 4. Okay, there's 4 yolks. I'll get this out of the way. Get my whites out of the way. Use those for something different. Scramble them up, make an egg white omelet, whatever. Okay, my little measuring stick. Teaspoon, tablespoon, love it. Little clip. So we're going to go 1 tablespoon of lemon or fresh squeeze. Okay, put that in there. Put this to the side. Now we're going to whip this up very aggressive. Move this out of the way. Until it doubles and thickens. Make sure you're scraping the sides. Get it all in there. Get that lemon juice and that egg yolk incorporated. Basically, what we're doing is we're emulsifying to get this sauce. We got to get everything to adhere. Get that. See if I can show you on the camera. See how thick that got? Okay, now we're going to stick it into our double boiler. You don't want to get this too hot. If you get this too hot, these are eggs. They're going to start cooking. So you just want to be very careful. And we're going to start pouring the unsalted butter in and start whipping. Okay. Put a little more in. It's nice and slow. And after the butter's in, we're going to whip that real good. And yes, this pan is hot, so, be careful. So, as you can see, we got nice creamy sauce. Okay, now we're going to turn this off. That's basically all we needed this contraption for. I should probably invest in a smaller double boiler set. So we're going to turn that off. Get our pan over here. Okay, next we're going to put a pinch of cayenne pepper. One pinch. And some salt. Oh, let me go get it. A pinch of salt. Okay. All right. Now we're going to mix this up real good. Okay, you see that? Yum. Okay. Now we're going to just let that sit on the back here. We want it to stay warm. And I'm going to turn the oven on to broil so we can do our English muffins. And we're going to take our butter and get a little tablespoon going. Okay, put that in here. Turn our pan on. We're going to let that start melting and put these eggs back in the refrigerator. Now we're going to turn this pan up a little bit so we can get this thing with a nice rolling boil for the poached eggs, which I just put the eggs up. Okay. We'll pull the eggs right back out. So, we're going to keep an eye on our Hollandaise sauce. Okay, and now we're going to take some English muffins. 2 of them. Put this back. Yeah. Get our spoon. We're going to separate these. Are these the pre-cut ones? Yeah. Separate these English muffins nice and gently. Okay, get ready to toast those. Our pan's getting nice and warm. Mix our sauce. Okay, let's put that in there. Okay, and we got our can here for the Canadian bacon, and I'm just layering them in here. It don't matter. Just to warm them up and make them a little brown. Just turn them. There we go. Nothing real serious. Okay. Turn that up. How's the oven doing? We ready? Okay, we're going to toast our English muffins. Oop. Okay. Put this over here. And pull this back. All right. Just a little fork. Yeah. Okay. Smells good. Okay. Now we're going to put our eggs in. We're going to drop our eggs in nice and gently so they don't break. Nice 4 eggs. Okay. Okay. Those out of our way. Now, let's put the eggs over here. Getting Canadian bacon all nice and toasty. We're going to open this up. Pull off a couple sprigs. That's all we need. Just some parsley. Roll it up and just slice. Just for a garnish. Okay, set that to the side. A little paprika. How's everything going? Going good. Getting everything toasty. Okay, turn that down. We're going to slow cook these for 2 or 3 minutes. And hopefully I don't break one in the process. Yeah, there we go. Okay, those are almost done. Turn our Canadian bacon. Check on our English muffins. They're starting to toast. It won't be long now. You got to keep an eye when you're doing them in the broiler like that, because once they start browning, then they start browning. All right, so we're going to move this to the side. So I'm going to butter our English muffins. Show you how this all looks. We can take that off. Got our Canadian bacon, all nice and toasty. And hopefully I keep this under 10 minutes, or 15 minutes. I'm trying to do this in real time. So, okay, check on this. Yeah. Okay. Here we go. Turn that off. We got some nice toasty English muffins. Okay. Turn that off. I like to put a little butter. So we're going to slice a little butter, put on there. And when we get all this stuff on it, it'll melt. Just a little sliver. A little sliver of butter. Okay. Now we're going to put the Canadian bacon. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And for the other one. Okay, now we're going to take the poached eggs and we're going to put them on there. There's one. And there's two. Okay. And three. And I had one break on me. Yeah, that's just how it goes. Sometimes they break. So we'll just set that right like that. Okay. Next, we're going to put our sauce on. Give it a good mix. And we're going to drizzle our sauce on, like so. And then we're going to hit it with some pepper. Okay. Then we're going to put a little paprika on it. And then we put a little parsley for garnish. And there you go. Eggs Benedict. All right, guys. I hope you have a great morning. We're going to enjoy this. Thank you. See you later.